Hello, my name is Ahurira Solomon. I'm a site engineer of this project. It's called Mayfair Vistas. It's being developed by Fakuldin Properties, Uganda. Right now, the activity going on is backfilling. Bringing maram, we are filling all this pit with maram. After we shall compact. Then another thing I can highlight on is the columns. These are the columns which we cast like 2 weeks back ago. After curing it, we painted it with bituminous paint. This bituminous paint, it prevents dampness. It acts as waterproof. It prevents water from entering in, causes corrosion of steel which is inside. So we make sure there is bituminous paint to avoid all such effects of water. Thank you so much, our dear clients. For more details, we invite you to come here at site located near Chiwatule Police Station for more technical details. Thank you so much. We're new.